Henan Jinbailai Industrial Co Limited, established in 2021, is specialized in the research, development, sale and service of steel fire pits, steel planters, steel screens, steel edgings, and steel sculptures. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. We are in Zhengzhou with convenient transportation access and beautiful environment. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Selling well in cities and provinces around China, with export license, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as the Europe, North America, and Oceania. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products. As a professional steel products supplier, we have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system, which is in strict accordance with international standards. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to create a bright future with us together.
Henan Jinbailai Industrial Co Limited is one steel supplier in northern China. We are serving 1,000 customers. Main products are BBQ Grills, steel fire pit, screen panels, garden planter, and water feature. Sample is always welcome. One-stop service is our aim. We sincerely welcome you to visit our company. Thank you.